My wife wanted to build a she cave and have a drop ceiling, so we took it from this and made it into this. And here's the steps that I took to put this together. First thing you want to do is get yourself some 1/2-inch flex pipe from your local hardware store. I believe this piece was about 5 feet long, so I took it, kept it in its whole form, and test fitted all the curtains that my wife picked up. The next thing you'll need is some 1/2-inch by 1/2-inch couplings. This is what you're going to use to connect the two ends of the tubing together to make a complete circle. And you don't need to actually glue it. I didn't need to glue mine, but you know, everybody can do what they want, but do not glue it right now. Right now we're just test fitting, but this is what it looks like at the end. For these next few steps, you'll probably want to have somebody along with you. I didn't have any help, so I wasn't able to get a whole lot of footage of me actually doing some of this, but I did do a dry fit on the ceiling. I kind of attached it up there with some painter's tape to keep it in place. I got some 1/2-inch standard clamps that would be used to anchor it to the top, so you can kind of see. I used 3 of them, and I just actually attached one of them, but I kept the open end, the double end available. Okay, and then I grabbed what should have been 4, I think these would have been like 10 feet length, but this one shown here is the one out of the 4 that I picked up that was the wrong one. But anyway, pick up 4 of these, and then we're going to mount these along the ceiling to have the ends of the drapes go. In terms of spacing, I went with 9 inches from the ceiling, 12 inches from the corner of the wall to do these, but it's all up to you how you want to do this. All right, so this is kind of like the finished product. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to record everything, but once I got those wall curtain rods mounted, then I just started feeding all the fabric through the flex pipe that was on the ceiling. Once I had all the fabric lined up there, I attached them, the other 3 connectors, to keep it up on the ceiling, and this is kind of the finished product. And here's a clip of the more complete product. My wife is still putting some finishing touches on it, but we pretty much got it all together. You know, it took me about 6 hours to do all this, but if you had some help, it would definitely cut that time in half. So her she cave is pretty much complete as far as this step goes. So this is the quick and easy of how to do it, guys. I don't know if I want to call it quick, but this is how I did it. And you know, it all cost me about maybe 50 bucks for the hardware. She picked up all this other stuff through Facebook Marketplace. So all right, guys, well, thank you for watching, and